Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install MS-DOS 6.22 in VMware. So first of all, open VMware Workstation. I'm using the Pro 17. Now click on Create, keep it typical, install later, click Other and select MS-DOS. Now to select the location in which the file will be saved. Click Next. 2 gigs is enough. Now customize the hardware and select 64 megabytes. This is very important. Click Add and add a floppy drive. Finish. Now close it and finish. Now you have to edit the settings. Click on floppy, connected or power on, floppy image, browse for the floppy disks. Again, the link will be in the description. Now click on the power on, click yes. Now click on enter, configure unallocated space, again enter. This is a very quick and easy setup. It will be done in few minutes. Keep the keyboard there United States. If it's not, change it to United States and click enter. I like to keep it the name DOS. After hearing the beep sound, you have to click on VM settings and then change the floppy disk to disk 2. Press enter. Release. You can release the mouse by pressing Ctrl Alt, which is a default shortcut key to release the mouse. Click the disk 3. And now you have to remove the disk, and the way to remove the disk is you have to unselect the connected and connected or power on, click OK, press enter and enter again. If the setup is done correctly, then you can see you have opened MS-DOS successfully. So now I'm going to show you some basics of how to use it. Click on dir. For seeing the directory, you can create mkdir draw. Okay, now just select dir and you see a directory named draw on top. You can actually select cd draw to go to draw, cls to clear the screen, and you can press edit, just press enter, just type anything you like. Alt, click the highlighted options and just click on save and exit. Yes. Okay. Select the file named as file 1. Done. And now type file 1. Yes. And now you can also click edit with the name file 2 like this, and it will be automatically saved. You can do this. Type file 2. Now select dir to see the folder. You can type del file 1, del file 2, and select directory, and you see the files are deleted. And now do cd ... to go back, click directory, and now you have a directory named draw. But if you do del draw, you'll see that all files are deleted, so you can press Y, but the directory will not be deleted. It will be still there. To remove it, press RD, which stands for remove directory, draw. And now do the directory and see it's removed. So these are all the basics on how to use MS-DOS. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so you don't miss my future uploads. Also hit the like button. And I hope this video was useful for you guys. So I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye.